In this tutorial, I'll show you where to find the save game files and config file for LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight on PC. Whether you want to back up your saves or edit your settings manually, this guide will show you exactly where to go. First, open File Explorer. Now open your C drive. Open the folder Users. Then open your Windows username folder. After that, open App Data. If you cannot see the App Data folder, click on View, select Show, then Hidden Items. Now the folder should appear. Step 2. Locate the save game files. Inside App Data, open Local. Now open Warner Bros. Interactive Entertainment. Then open LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. After that, open Save Games. Now open Steam. Then open the folder with the long number name. Inside this folder, you will find your save game files. Step 3. Locate the config file. Now go back to the local folder. Inside Local, open Dinner. Then open Saved. Next, open Config. Then open Windows. Inside this folder, locate GameUserSettings.ini. Right-click on it and select Open with Notepad. Inside this file, you'll find the game's configuration settings. You now know where to find both the save files and the config file for LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.